Before mowing, get to know your beast mower. Read the owner's manual, follow all safety precautions. Before making any adjustments or servicing your mower, make sure the mower is on level ground, the blades are disengaged. Make sure the brake is set. Make sure the key is removed. Remove the spark plug wires to prevent inadvertent starting. Check your manual for easy to follow instructions for recommended maintenance, such as deck belt replacement, deck belt tension, setting the proper gaps on retainers and guides, and spindle brake inspection and replacement. One item that is overlooked is the importance of tire pressure. Incorrect tire pressure may cause the mower to pull to one side and or result in an uneven cut. Use caution when filling the tires. Never exceed the recommended maximum tire pressure as stated on the tires. In this section, we'll be focusing on deck belt tension. It is recommended to check and adjust the deck belt tension after the initial 5 hours of use. After the initial break-in period, it is recommended to inspect belt tension and adjust if necessary every 8 hours. When adjusting deck belt tension, put the blade engagement handle to the on position. Follow the manual for deck belt adjustments. This is the blade engagement pulley. This is the swing arm. This is the swing arm. What I'm pointing at to here is the turnbuckle linkage. The black pulleys are over the blade and spindles. The brass pulleys are the idler pulleys. I am pointing at the J-shaped retainers. This is the spindle brake cable and spindle brake springs. This is the spindle brake cable. And here is our 62-inch deck, which contains an additional spindle brake cable. It is important to properly maintain your mower. Always follow operating procedures as per the owner's manual. Proper use and performing routine maintenance will ensure your mower performs optimally for years to come.